we're just going to create a quick dashboard that uses MDX and with parameters. So we're going to start off with the layout. Just add a row, give it a name and a height, give it a background color, and preview. Okay, so that's our layout. Exciting. Next, we're going to want to add a data source. So we're going to use an MDX query and JNDI. So we'll give it a name. We're going to use the steel wheels data, and I have a query prepared here already. It's the market sales for the year 2004, and 2004 is the item that we're going to parameterize. So we'll just take that just now and drop that into our query. The last step is to create a chart, and we're going to create a bar chart. It's nice and simple. We'll give it a name, choose the data source, choose the HTML object, and I think that's pretty much us. So there we have it. We have market sales of 2004. That's actually how quick it is to make a chart in the CDE. It's quite amazing. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is just parameterize this. The first step is actually to add a parameter to the dashboard. I'm going to call mine param year. I'm going to set the default value to 2004, just like the query has at the moment. The next step is we want to make sure this parameter is passed to the chart, and then obviously to the data source as well. So we just need to add it into the parameters. Here we are, param year, param year. We have to make sure the chart's listening for any changes in the parameter year. We have to go to the data source to tell the data source that these are the parameters we want to use. And lastly, we want to replace the static value 2004 with our parameter. So yeah, parameter year. Now this is all dynamic now, so if we preview it, it should work. It'll still be the same data for 2004, but it is still a parameterized MDX query. So the last step, really quickly, is we're going to add in a select component that allows us to select the year, and we can actually see the changes working. So I'm just going to create a select component called S1. The parameter it's going to listen to is param year. This is the parameter we're going to change. I need an HTML object to attach it to, so I'll add a new row to my dashboard. Just put it above the chart. Call it P1. Oh, shite. Click a button. Click the wrong button. Set it to 50. Let's give it a background color as well, so we can see it. Okay, there's where we're going to put our parameter. Back to the select. Attach it to parameter 1. Usually we would use a data source to get a dynamic list of years, but I'm just going to be lazy and do a static list just now. Okay, so we're going to do 2004. It's going to be one of the values, and 2005 is going to be the other value the user can select. Okay, so that's everything set up this time. If we preview, okay, we have our sales for 2004. If we choose 2005, you can see the chart changed. It's not easy to see, but it is changing. And there we have it. That's that simple.